Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate. So today we are braiding my mom. My mom has not been plaiting her hair for a long time because she doesn't like it. She just like to cover her hair with a scarf. So most of the time she's just wrapping a scarf on her head. So today we said no, we are going to do something different. We convinced her and thank God she accepted, and she gave us conditions. She doesn't want to feel any pain. She doesn't want to sit for a long time. So we are going to do our best to make sure that we are braiding. The braids will be loose so that she doesn't feel any pain. And also we are not going to just braid them to look like fuller. Like, we're not going to have a lot of braids on her head because she doesn't want to sit for a long time. We are going to do our best so that she look beautiful and cute. So I did a video about how we washed her hair. If you have not watched the video, it is on my channel. Just go to my channel and you will watch the video. So thank you so much. If you are one of my subscribers, I really appreciate for your support. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you are new here. My name is Monica. I am a Kenyan YouTuber. If you did not know, now you know. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. You can support my channel by subscribing, liking my video, and watching this video to the end without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below, and also sharing my video. So here is the video, and we are just going to do our best just to hopefully she will not feel any pain, and she's going to retain the braids, because if she feels the pain, she said she's going to cut them off. So I am going to leave you to enjoy this video to the end, and see you in my next one. Bye.